Daddy, also known as Coco Martin. Toast, 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 toast. Okay. Okay, contestant number 3, Tito Anden, also known as Paulo Abilino. Toast, toast. Contestant number 4, Mr. Tanae, also known as Daniel Padilla. Okay, last but not the least, Tito Arnold, also known as John Lloyd Cruz. Kung gusto niyo po, gayahin niyo yung rain dance ni Sarah. Sandals. Oh, huwag na magtalo. Sige po. Ingat.